trying different engine layout configurations to see what feels reasonable, what feels to have the right balance between surprise and expected, or let's say comfortable. And again, having a good time with these wing struts and support shapes here. So here I think the balance has been to understand what shapes play together well and what shapes add surprise. And I think when you zoom out, you can see that the overall shape feels quite cohesive and it feels solid, and I think the overall idea comes through pretty nicely.